How to use Instagram Threads. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So you can download Threads through your Play Store. Type Threads at the search bar and then click on Install. Once you install it, go ahead and open it. So you'll be able to log in through your Instagram, and you can import your Instagram data as well. You can choose to make it public or private, and it'll give you the option to follow who you're following on Insta. You can choose not to follow who you're following on Insta as well. So on your homepage, you'll see content from people you follow or trending. You can click on this heart to like the post. Click on this icon to comment on the post. Click on this icon to repost it or quote it, and then click on this icon to share it, add to your story, copy link, or share on another app. You can click on the search bar at the bottom to search for a specific account. You can click on this icon to start your own thread, and then click on this paperclip to add a photo or video. Click at the bottom where you're saying your followers can reply, and then you can choose to limit your comment. You can select your followers, profiles you follow, or mentioned only. Once you're ready to post, click on post at the bottom. Click on this heart icon at the bottom, and you'll see all your notifications here. So you'll see requests to follow you, any replies, any mentions, quotes, reposts, and you can click on this profile icon to view your profile. If you want to edit anything, go ahead and click on edit profile and you'll be able to do so. So this is how to use Instagram Threads. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.